Okay, this video is about design variation support for externally linked files. So this is my source file, this flywheel, and I have a few design variations that change the number of teeth around the outside and therefore changes the diameter. And now I've created my part in another scene, and a few of those design variations are externally linked to my original flywheel. Now the support that has now been put in place is that if I go back to my flywheel and now I know how big my axle hole is for the center, I can add that hole, make the change, and now when I go over to my scene file, it will ask me if I want to update each of my design variations. And you can choose which ones you want to update based on this dialog. So I placed them by 50, 60, and 72, so they're going to go in that order. So do I want to update the 50? Yes. It'll update. Update the 60? Yes. And then finally, do you want to update the 72? And you'll notice now all of my flywheels have axle holes. And you can choose which one to update individually by choosing either yes or no. So I can now come in and change this hole. And let's say I only want it to be on the first gear. I can hit yes because I know that's the first. It'll change that to larger, and then I'll hit no and no. And you'll notice these two design variations stay the same.